you off of my mind. Are you still thinking about me all the time?
What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Two-Ton, and today's recipe is delicious, fall off the bone, tender short ribs. You're gonna love it. Of course, it's gonna be easy, simple ingredients to do. It's gonna lay on a bed of pureed cauliflower, and you will love this recipe because it's keto friendly and it's low carbs. If you like this recipe, make sure you smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and ring that bell for notification, all right? So right now, let's get to cooking. Let's go.